Understanding the unique strengths of email and SMS helps maximize your marketing impact. By choosing the right tool for each message, you can effectively engage your audience and drive desired outcomes. Email marketing supports audience segmentation, letting you target specific groups with tailored messages. This approach enhances engagement and conversion rates. Plus, it's cost-effective, offering a high return on investment for businesses of all sizes. Meanwhile, SMS marketing delivers concise, time-sensitive messages directly to your audience's phones. With high open and engagement rates, it's a better tool than email for urgent updates and promotions. Plus, it doesn't require internet access, ensuring broad reach. SMS also makes two-way communication easier, fostering interaction between businesses and customers. This channel is perfect for quick responses and immediate engagement, making it ideal for time-sensitive campaigns and customer service interactions. Email is best for complex messages and nurturing leads over time. It allows for detailed storytelling and brand building. On the other hand, SMS is perfect for urgent updates and limited time offers, ensuring immediate visibility and action. Use email to drive SMS subscriptions by offering exclusive deals. Introduce campaigns via email, then follow up with SMS reminders to boost engagement. This combination enhances reach and ensures your message is seen and acted upon. By integrating both channels, you can create a seamless marketing strategy that amplifies your reach. Start leveraging email and SMS together to enhance your campaigns and achieve greater success. Let's get started today.